It's really cold right now in Florida. And do you know what else it's called? Jupiter. Jupiter's about 5 times farther from the sun than the Earth is, which means it's about 300 degrees colder in Fahrenheit. The average temperature of the Earth is about 60 degrees, and the average temperature of Jupiter is about negative 230. Also, Jupiter is really giant. It's the biggest planet by far. It has about 300 times more mass than the Earth does. Keep in mind that Jupiter is not solid and the Earth is. So, yeah. Speaking about solid, you probably know that Jupiter is a gas planet, or Jovian planet is the scientific term for it. Jupiter is made out of gas. It's not really made out of rocks or metals. Jupiter is made out of mostly hydrogen and helium compounds. That does not mean that Jupiter is like one big cloud, like our clouds. It's a really dense cloud, so if you were trying to go through it, you would die of the pressure before you reach the center. So it's super dense, and so are you if you try to pass through it. The distance from Mars to Jupiter is almost twice the distance from the Sun to Mars. So it's really far away. It's also important to note that Jupiter spins really fast. Whereas Earth completes its rotation every 24 hours, Jupiter completes its rotation about every 9. Fast planet. And because it spins so fast, there's a lot of really cool weather patterns on Jupiter, including my favorite and the coolest one is the Great Red Spot. It's basically a really big hurricane. The thing is, the hurricane is about twice as wide as the Earth. It's a big storm. So not only is it twice the size of the Earth, it is also going on for like 300 years now, if not longer. The Great Red Spot is also so vicious that it actually tears apart other storms on Jupiter as it passes them by. Like imagine your storm is to skipping around one day, oh yeah, I'm brewing, and then the Great Red Spot, the massive 300-year hurricane comes along and tears you to bits. That's what it is. That's what Great Red Spot. Great Red Spot. Also, I think it's really pretty, so I'll show you. Basically, Jupiter looks like this. And right there's a Great Red Spot. There it goes. Ah, yeah, look at the pretty colors. The white bands you see are ammonia clouds that spin around in circles. Basically, it's they're turning, and it's a cloud. You know what a cloud is. And the reddish brown parts are the ammonium sulfide clouds, which rest more or less underneath the whiter clouds. Clouds that spin, east and west, and cover the entire planet. And they're pretty cool. Jupiter does have rings, just like Saturn does, except Jupiter's rings are pretty much imperceptible in comparison to Saturn's. They're just, they're there. They're there. Jupiter is so big that it has 63 different known moons. The 4 main ones are called the Galileo moons, and they are Io, Calypso, Ganymede, and Europa. They are pretty cool also. They're like a whole other video. Okay, well I guess that's it. And I will see, well it's not it, it's never it with science. So I'll see you guys next Friday.